intro brand fairy. Your guide to...
Whoa! What? Congratulations, JOLSEs, the gift Mary&May.
Hi, JOLSEs! Can you guess where I am? They've welcomed us very warmly. We are at the headquarters of Mary&May. Mary&May, a leading Kbeauty clean beauty brand that takes care of our JOLSEs' glowing skin. So coming straight to the headquarters where the products I love are made. So I'm already excited. Shall we head inside together? Let's go. Look how amazing this all looks, and we have all of the products that we love so much.
Okay, today Helen is here a very important mission.
What's the mission? Find the Mary&May intro brand fairy who prepared tons of gifts for JOLSEs at the Mary&May headquarters. First, an employee who loves Mary&May more than anyone in the world. Second, an employee who does skincare at Mary&May's office. Third, an employee who laughs a lot but doesn't have a single wrinkle around the eyes. How am I gonna find these people? How?
Well, when you feel the confidence to say the Mary&May does what, you guide it too. The intro brand fairy will follow up by saying, true clean beauty.
Okay, and that is Mary&May's slogan. I don't think the JOLSE team is going to make this easy for me, and we have a whole office. Let's go find Mary&May's intro brand fairy. Let's go. Okay, it seems I already found a staff with a bunch of Mary&May products on their desk. Excuse me. Hi. Hello. Sorry, can I interview you for a second?
Yeah, sure.
So it seems you have a lot of Mary&May products on your desks. How much do you love Mary&May?
A lot, I guess.
Okay, yeah, it seems so, because all of these products are on your desk. I have to ask, how often and how much do you take care of your skin with all of these Mary&May products?
Honestly, I'm actually very lazy, but sometimes I do skincare and I use niacinamide vitamin C mask. Favorite too.
Okay, why is that?
Because it's very good. It's good for your brightening the mask and brightening your skin.
One of the hints that we had for the intro brand fairy was someone that constantly does skincare even in the office. So I thought it might have been you because you have so much on your desk.
Actually, the products are here for my work. I'm doing something that needs these many products on my table, so that's why.
Okay, so can you please introduce yourself and what your role is here at Mary&May?
Hello everyone, I'm Zaini. I'm working as a global communication manager here. Nice to meet you. I am handling the South Asian market and influencer marketing, and yes, it's been more than 1 year that I've been working here.
So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
You're
you
not
too.
a fairy though. Okay, I'm sorry. You look like a fairy.
Yeah, exactly.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
So let's keep searching. She has a Mary&May background on her computer. That's not. Excuse me. Can you just close the internet real quick? Yeah. That's suspicious. Who has a Mary&May logo as their background? You must really love Mary&May. I'm going to interview this person. Hello. So how much do you love Mary&May? This is suspicious.
I mean, yeah, I guess I do love it.
Do you really love it a lot? A lot? Then you must know this. Your guide to...
Which guy?
It's the company slogan.
Oh.
You know it, right?
I haven't been here for long, so I'm kind of new.
So I guess you're not the brand fairy?
Yeah.
Okay. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Christina, and I've been working in Mary&May for 4 months.
So what are you in charge of here at Mary&May?
So in Mary&May, I support the Latin American market, and I'm also in charge of editing and producing content.
So if you had to choose just one all-time favorite product, what would you recommend?
These are my 3 favorite products from Mary&May. So my go-to serum is the Retinol Bakuchiol Cica serum, and then also the Idebenone cream. I use it every day. and of course the eye cream.
And do you have any tips for surviving the work company life that you've learned from your seniors?
The biggest lesson I learned is that you should try to finish your work on the day you're giving it to, because you're gonna get more work the next day.
Ooh. Are you Joanne? Hi, nice to meet you. What is all of this?
It's just my little to-go pouch, you know, always on the run, so just have to put a little bit of my touch-up makeup and a little skincare inside.
Oh, and what's sticking out here?
Oh, let me show you.
You're seriously committed. We have another eye cream, another gua sha. So can you please give a quick self-introduction?
Hi, I'm Joanne. I'm from Canada and I work at Global Communications.
And what kind of work are you in charge of here at Mary&May?
So I'm a team leader at one of the teams in Global Communications. So I'm in charge of making sure my team is up and ready for their work. And I also do a little bit of campaign management.
That sounds like a lot of work. How long have you been working here? How long have you been in charge?
It's actually almost 2 years. Yeah, in 2 weeks.
First, an employee who loves Mary&May more than anyone in the world. Second, an employee who does skincare at Mary&May in the office. And third, an employee who laughs a lot but has no wrinkles around the eyes. Do you have any clue who that could be?
I'm pretty sure you're looking for Claire.
Claire. We're finding this brand fairy. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Excuse me. Hi.
Hi.
Do you pay close attention to skincare?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay, and you have eye smiles, but no wrinkles around the eyes at all. So that means you must have a way of managing your skin.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely.
How much do you love Mary&May?
Oh, it's like in my blood and veins.
So checking off the hints, someone who loves Mary&May more than anyone in the world, a person who does skincare in the office, and no wrinkles, but a nice smile. And last question for you. Your guide to
True Beauty.
I finally found you! This is our brand fairy!
I'm in here,
Finally I found you! That's the brand fairy. We're done here. Let's go! JOLSEs, I've finally met the Mary&May intro brand fairy I've been searching for. Let's hear it, everyone! Woo! So could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, JOLSEs. We finally meet. My name is Claire. I'm from Indonesia. I work in Mary&May for 5 years soon. I am in charge of Indonesia and European region. Nice to meet you.
Then, first up, what is the must-have item that you recommend the most?
I would recommend this one. Our Spicule Collagen PDRN cream. This is super great for if you want plump skin, but also like wrinkle care. And it's amazing because it's instant too, because it has 1,000 shots of ppm of the Spicule. Super effective, super fast, and if you need, like, have a date coming up, super recommend this. And then you can go ahead once you go about your day, do your errands, do your work. After a date, you go home and apply this cream, the Spicule Retinol cream. Why? Honestly, it's because retinol, you should not have this exposed on the daylight or like the sunlight. It is very dangerous. Spicule Retinol is not for day care. Also, it's higher in the efficiency as well. It has 2,000 shots, where this one only has 1,000. So this is amazing for night care, because night care, you kind of want to focus more, it should be more intense, right? Because like all you do is sleep, but you kind of want to be like productive as you sleep. So I would recommend this one for the night care.
Could I do like a little test? I am very curious about it because I've tried that one before and it is very prickly. But this one's a bit prickly as well.
It is.
Yeah, but a lot lighter. And I love there's like little to no scent. My skin is so sensitive and dries out and it goes crazy for no reason.
Because our aim in Mary&May is for sensitive skincare. So we want to make sure that everyone in the spectrum gets to try our product.
I remember this one and I was,
This is not prickly at all.
What?
The collagen one, I mean.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's
this one is like Pop Rocks. It's like,
oh, true. Yeah, that's how I explain it to my friends. They're like, okay, you're too N for this one. Okay, cool.
I love them both though. Definitely feel stronger on the nighttime one, the retinol one.
Try little by little, you'll get there.
All right, what is the second step?
Number one, we will start with the cleansing. I would recommend this LHA Rice Glutathione Cleansing Oil. You have got to try this though. It says cleansing oil, but it's not a lie. It's more like, it doesn't feel like a oil consistency. It's very watery. So we do TikTok lives where there was the one part where we do like, we cleanse our face or like our hands actually in the live session. And there's literally no oily feeling right after we rinse it. Not even with any soap, other soap, there's like no oily feeling. And this is amazing because it says rice glutathione. You would think, oh, it's very brightening. It should be like really strong for my skin. It might not be too good. No, we use these exact ingredients so that it's mild for your skin, but also gives you brightening care as well. And then the last one I want to introduce to the routine is the tranexamic acid glutathione eye cream. This is great for obviously around the eye area. It's called an eye cream. But guess what? This is also great for hyperpigmentation. So not only you should apply it around your eye area, you can also apply it, for example, here. I know you guys can see it, but there's like a blemish here, and that's where we would recommend our consumers to use it. Go ahead and like try it. The consistency is different.
Let's see, I'm curious.
Eye creams actually have different consistency from just like normal like face cream, because they have beeswax.
Whoa, super thick.
This is like a constant repurchase for all of my friends.
Thank you so much for explaining your whole routine. And I would really, really love if our JOLSEs could maybe receive some of these products.
Of course. Do you want like a gift
Yeah.
that you can give to your We also want to give to JOLSEs, but like, look at what Hayleen is doing for everyone.
JOLSEs, the Mary&May must-haves, the brand Fairy introduced. I'm going to guess them myself through a blind test. And there's just one condition. If I get at least 3 out of 5 right, Mary&May will be giving gifts to 10 JOLSEs.
10 lucky JOLSEs.
I'm actually quite good at these games, so let's see.
We'll see. Maybe don't jinx it yet. All right, Hayleen, please now cover your eyes and hold out the back of your
I'm
hand.
scared.
Okay.
Like, I know it's not like something weird, but I'm scared.
It's gonna give me ASMR. Going in.
Smells familiar. It has a scent, so that I'm narrowing it down to like 2 products, and it's very nice. It's not sticky, keyword there. I'm gonna go ahead and guess that it's the serum based off of the scent, mostly.
Open your eyes. She guessed it right, guys.
Yeah.
Number 2.
So I need 2 more correct guesses. I'm ready.
3.
See?
Not too good at this.
Love the smell. I'm ready. I feel good. Nervous, confident but nervous.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me go ahead.
No, there's no scent, I think. And it feels like a creamy, I don't know.
What else?
I'm gonna go with just the face cream because I remember the face cream wasn't that scented. It feels like a cream.
Are you talking about the jar?
The jar, because I don't feel any like tingliness.
Okay, open your eyes.
No, what? Okay,
Sorry,
I
guys.
think I've gotten used to
Sorry,
it. I
guys.
didn't feel any tingliness.
But it's kind of a good thing.
It's
It
a good
actually
thing,
shows
but I guessed
evidence
it
that it's
correctly.
not that spicy.
Yeah, at least it's not painful. But that one got me. We still have
It's okay, 2 more. We
more
got
chances.
This.
We can do this. Let's go. I'm confident about this one. I'm confident. This was one of my top 2. I'm very confident
true.
because I loved the texture.
That was quick.
And let me, just to seal it in, let me smell it because I was obsessed with the scent. Yup, that is my eye cream.
Oh!
100%.
Oh wait, I kind of like spoiled it. Okay, you can open your eyes.
Is it? Yep, I am in love with this product. I'm 100% confident about it. Okay, we need one more. That's all. That's all.
It's okay,
That's all.
we got this.
Just one more. I feel very confident in my knowledge of Mary&May.
Going in.
Very thick. Very suspicious. Very thick.
I hope you get this
Are
correct.
you giving me the easiest ones on purpose?
What?
I think you want to give some gifts to our JOLSEs. This is the face cream, jar cream. Let's see. Let's take it all off. Woo! I did not let JOLSEs down. So we are getting gifts, JOLSEs. Whoop, whoop, again.
Haley, you really did so amazing today. I have to give it to you. Congratulations, JOLSEs. The gift Mary&May has prepared for today is this one.
There's so many products in there. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud. Yay!
Everything
so
that we
happy.
have here on the table is going to your home for a giveaway. So
You
make
guys
sure
are
you
gonna
join it.
love this. I'm so happy for you guys.
Oh, we're not done. We're not done.
What do
There's
you
one
mean?
more. I have one more.
What?
I have one more. This
No
lunchbox
way.
looking thing. Isn't it so cute? I love the colors.
Yes, and what's that? It has a cleansing oil and an eye cream.
We kind of
my
pair it
goodness,
with
it's
the
like
product itself. So it has not only products.
Cute.
Adorable. We
Little
also
hair
have
clips.
the hairpins. So the logic behind this is obviously you're going to be washing your face. What do you want off your face? Your hair. It's going to go like this. It's the Glutathione kit. It's for brightening, for cleansing your face. With the eye cream, it's going viral. You need to try it. And also, our retinol, our Spicule creams are quite new, but we do want you to try it with our bestseller products. So here we have prepared 2 kits for you. It will go randomly for 10 people.
Oh my goodness, those 10 people are gonna be so lucky.
Yay!
Thank you so much. Our
Thank
JOLSEs
you.
are going to love this.
I hope so. I have more because we really appreciate her, Hayleen, coming all the way here to Mary&May main office. I have a lucky drop prepared.
Okay.
So we want to have discount event going on for Mary&May products.
Yay.
We have 10%, we have 20%, and we have 50%. But it is up in your hands how many percent that JOLSEs are gonna get. So pick.
Okay, that sounds good and all, but if you ask me, coming all the way to the headquarters and going through all of this to win the gift, I personally think that we should walk away with something bigger.
Okay.
Could I get a pen and paper, please?
Oh, ma'am, that's a bit too big.
Oh, come on. We did all of this. We have our beloved JOLSEs that love the Mary&May products. Come on.
Okay. I hope you don't pick it, kind of thing. You can't look.
But I feel very confident.
We go. We go.
I'm gonna go with... I'm going with this one.
Is that your answer?
That is my
You wanna
final
walk it?
answer. Let's see, please.
I
for
was
JOLSE
scared.
Skin.
Oh no.
76%. We did it, JOLSEs.
Okay.
We have a full Mary&May brand day discount plus a 76% off coupon for one product picked by lottery. And we're doing this right now. This is possible, right?
I can make it happen. I can definitely make it happen. We discussed it again in good faith and as a special benefit just for the viewers. And today's video, we've decided to run the brand day discount along with up to 76% off on one selected product.
For all the details on how to join and the discounts, make sure to check the description box and the pinned comment. JOLSEs, how was our visit to the Mary&May headquarters today? It was so fun, right? We finally met the intro brand fairy, and thanks to them, we were able to secure gifts for JOLSEs and even more product discounts. The Mary&May must-haves featured in today's videos are available right now on JOLSE, and among JOLSEs who participate in the event, winners will be selected by lottery to receive gifts prepared by Mary&May along with JOLSE credit benefits. So make sure to check the comments or the description box for full details on how to participate. Intro brand fairy, how was today for you?
It was so fun, actually. Kind of like never gonna play games with her again. Be careful, but it was so fun. Really appreciate having you here. Thank you so much for coming.
Coming here and filming today, I could really feel why Mary&May products are so loved by JOLSEs, and seeing everything in person and talking with the team made it all make sense. So it really reminded me that products made with good ingredients and real care over a long time never let you down. So I hope today's video was helpful for JOLSE's skincare routines too. And we'll see you again in the next video. Bye!